Hey guys, welcome to HowTo in a Few. Today I'm really excited about this this product I just got. It's called the Wyze scale. That's made from this company called Wyze, W-Y-Z-E. You might have seen a previous video about their little cameras, these little cube cameras. That's what kind of made them famous, and man, I've been enjoying their products ever since. I'm definitely a fanboy. I think I will purchase everything they sell. I'm not kidding. So I bought some cameras, and ironically, I bought one of the $20 cameras just to try it out, and man, I was really pleased with the simplicity and how easy it is. It runs off a phone charger. It's fully Wi-Fi. You can access it on your phone anywhere. It does motion tracking. It recognizes faces. For a couple dollars more, you can get the one that pivots around and follows motion. And I came across a bunch of them that apparently somebody had bought to use in making their home a smart home or whatever, and then for some reason didn't like them. And they were all open box discounts, so I got them even cheaper. I have like 5 or 6 of them now. Cool stuff. So they came out with this scale, which is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, I believe. At the very least, it's Bluetooth, smart, so it hooks to your phone so that you can record. Now, you wouldn't know by looking at me, but there's like this last 5 pounds that I'm trying to lose. I just can't seem to lose it. You know what I'm talking about? So I'm hoping that, since I'm kind of a data person, having the data charted out and etc. is going to kind of give me a little bit more motivation, a little bit of an ability to track my progress and lose that last 5 pounds. So let's go take a look and see what's inside the box. Alright, it's pretty snazzy. And didn't expect it to be glass, so that's kind of a plus. Man, it is really cool looking. Very modern looking. Has some instructions that are really stuck. Alright, take a look at that in a minute when we start it up. Oh, even batteries were included, so we'll check that out. But it's a nice glass surface. Supposedly it does like BMI and all that other fancy stuff that you health nuts care about. I'm not sure if the little aluminum plate has some kind of electrical sensor or if it's just a calculation that's done. But alright, I'm gonna put the batteries in it. Alright, doesn't look too complicated. More batteries. This should slide down. There we go. Pops out. 1, 2. Put them in the right way. Alright. Please note positive and negative to ensure. I guess we better make sure we get them right. Looks good. Download the app, which we already have. We can open. Oh. You can see our cameras there. 5 of them. Don't want to create a rule. Add rule. Alright, there's a plus button up there. Add a device. Boom. Follow instruction Wyze app to add the scale. Connect please. Alright, Wyze scale is listed. Okay, they want all my personal information. Let me go ahead and put this on the floor. The scale is now installed. Alright, wants to know if I'm a male or female. the year of my birth. They want my height. They're pretty close right off the bat. Athlete mode. Yeah, we're going to turn that off. Next. Step on the scale with bare feet. Man, I'm scared to show you that, but alright, here we go. Scale is wrong, Jack. That is wrong. It's showing I gotta lose a little bit more than 5 pounds. Alright, how easy was that? I now have all kinds of data here, even some data that I don't want. Yeah. So I got some pretty high numbers there, which is probably a good thing. That BMI thing I was talking about before, I'm like off the chart. Also got a lot of muscle mass. That sounds pretty cool. 40% body water. Some of the other numbers probably not something I want to brag about, so I would show you it, except that I need to keep some kind of dignity here. But man, no problem. That was easy peasy setup, and presumably now, I mean, it has a date, so I'm assuming every day when I weigh myself, it's going to enter a new data point and track my progress. There you go. Wyze bathroom scale, Bluetooth hookup, pretty cool product. Have a couple other products coming. They have these little $5 door sensors that will track a door opening while you're away. You can set it, you know, because these things are kind of smart, so you can have it like, I don't know, put it on your liquor cabinet or something and see if your liquor cabinet triggers. Motion sensors, you can put probably by your doggy door or something, or kitty door, to see when your animals come in and out. Pretty cool stuff, and all really affordable, well thought out, and easy to use. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If so, give me a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.